Well, you didn't eat your dinner.
Are you going to paint something?
Nope.
Are you going to paint paper, Daddy?
No, it's time for you. You got to eat dinner.
I can paint it. But everything is done.
Huh?
It's done now.
Well, you didn't eat anything, though.
Everything is done now.
You didn't eat.
No, it's gone. Daddy, I just want carrots.
Have a few carrots.
I just want those.